Oh my god, what is happening?
Hey guys, it's part 3 of Shrek The Force Awakens, and I just saw Cybertron and we got shot into space. The Crimson King told us to see the light in part 2, so...
Go watch all the other parts before watching this, or else you will not understand and everything will be like, what?
Yeah, we're not doing recaps over here until you watch the other videos.
Watch them. Watch. I'm at this light white path.
I'm like, oh my god, that's Trump. Wait, I can talk to him.
I'm
at this. Trying to kill you. Nah, it's all good, man. Where are we right now? Spiritual singularity. Whoa, that's cool. Anyways, how can I help you? I'm on a journey to Shrek. Woo! Yeah, Shrek's kingdom is far beyond the wall. For you all disable the security and let you pass. But other people want to find Shrek too. Yeah, you're right. I will take down the wall. Yay! Thank you, Cybertron. Very cool. No problem. Good luck finding Shrek, my dude. See you later. Okay, Serena, did you reach the part? Who's Serena?
Isn't that your sister's name? Why did you?
Yep.
You're weird. Okay. These like path thingies are appearing as when I'm walking. No! Oh god.
Okay, I reached Cybertron, and then it said he's going to take
Surface of the Spiritual World, Part 2. I made it to Part 2. I made it to Part 2. I made it to the Part 2.
Part 2? Oh my god, Snoop Dogg! He's like a ghost. Hey, what's up, man? So, Snoop, where do I go from here? Well, we're in an infinite small point of space and time from which is not even like an escape within the matrix, so we can't leave. Oh, shizzle. That would break the laws of physics, unless... What? Your boy Snoop Doggy Dogg knows what to do. To escape this place, there's only one way. How do we get out of here, Snoop? Tell me. My G, if you do this hobby, we should be able to escape back to spiritual Mexico. Oh, so is there like a portal at the end?
You just like, if you just...
You've got to do the obby. How does doing some obby get us back? Come on, bro. Just do the obby. I don't see how this works, but okay.
So what I did was
spiritual Mexico.
What I did was like, I just did like 5, and then like I died, so like, I don't know. Maybe that's how it works. I'm not sure. But just do the whole obby just in case.
Yeah, we just have to do the obby, and I guess, like, Man, this place is so long. Every time I die, I have to go all the way at the beginning, and then, like, I have to walk this whole flight path, and I have to go see Trump, and then I see Snoop Dogg, and then I do the obby again, and then I die, and I see Trump, and I see Snoop Dogg. Where the heck is Trump? I don't even see Trump anymore. There he is. My bad.
Is he a zombie? He looks green.
He's Cyber Trump. So he's green, like hacker.
Ow! Cactuses hurt you! I didn't think they actually hurt you. I was just trying to give it a hug.
What do I do? I just did the obby.
Come on, I just want a hug. Come on. Do the little ones hurt you?
What are you doing?
The cactuses.
Oh, I made it to part 2 for me.
Ah! The cactuses actually kill you and hurt you and murder you.
Cactuses? Why are the cactuses attacking me?
Because I tried to give them hugs.
Man, why'd you do that?
Because I'm dumb.
Cactuses are evil, you know.
Come on, let's just go.
Yay, made it. Don't you dare hug that cactus again.
I was already here, Zaina. Huh?
else to say now. Well, there you go, my friend. I've torn down the wall. What? You convinced me to get rid of the wall, so that's what I did. Remember? What the wall? Where are you?
No, it
What
isn't.
is it?
I tore it down.
Tore it down. So you're not going to tear down the wall? Dude, I told you I already tore the wall down. Are those stairs stacked bricks behind you? Yes. I don't say. And do those bricks come together to form a wall?
Yes,
Yeah, they do.
they do.
Then there's still a wall. Nah, I tore down the wall. You're making no sense right now, Cybertrump. Oh, you thought I'd actually tear down every single brick? That would cost billions. Then what did you do?
Where's the door?
Can't ride to false, which is way cheaper now.
Zaina?
I can just walk through it.
Just
Oh, cool,
walk through
thanks.
it. Just walk through it.
Thanks for showing me the way. Okay.
Puppy, just walk through
Oh,
it.
hey, Cookie.
Just walk through.
Fine, let's walk to the light.
Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, pup.
Did it just stop?
Yeah. Let's go the other way.
Wait, hold on. Maybe we have to. Wait, no, we have to go through this wall. Look, follow my name tag.
Oh, there we go. There's more mini Trumps.
Uh-oh. Careful, Cracker. Mini-trons! I love these guys!
Well, you did it.
Well, look at the wall. The wall goes perfectly down! Yeah, what are the Trumplets gonna do? They're called Trumplets. That's so cute. Aww.
As always.
As we always do, we will follow our leader. He's retiring at last and going to Nepal to become a monk. Cool. Yes, we're all going to Nepal now. Thank you for showing Cybertron the way. No problem. Also, good luck on the whole fighting Shrek thing. We will see you all later. Look how cute they are. Their voices hurt. Weird voices. Like, everyone here has weird voices. Like, it's gross.
What's that building at the end of the wall?
I hate their voices. Oh, there's like a gas station place.
Yeah, I think it's like a building. Maybe a winner's area. I don't know.
Yep. It's like a gas station / restaurant or convenience store. Yeah, I think it's a gas station. I see a car.
Come on, pup.
Maybe it's a convenience / gas station.
We gonna do it.
That would be cool. I can with this. Let's go. Do you think we could take that car?
What if
Ew,
we
never
can?
mind, I don't want it. It's a brown car. I'm
Yeah.
not racist, I swear. Okay, there's Noob. Let's talk to him. You have done well, child of Shrek. It is an honor to hear, guardian of Shrek. Shrek himself has taken notice of you. There is a final task that he wills you to do. What's that task? I cannot say. You must drive the spiritual Louisiana and find the Temple of Shrek in the swamp. Temple of Shrek? Yes. Shrek himself wishes to travel the world. To do so, you must visit his holy temple and wait for a vision to come. How? When you get to spiritual Louisiana, search the swamps until you find a brick pyramid. You know it when you see it. Then what?
When you jump in the car, you get teleported.
Wait, hold on. Go inside and pass the golden idol of Shrek to receive a vision from him. Got it. Thanks.
Jump in the car.
Good luck, child of Shrek. Also, be careful driving. The roads in the swamps aren't exceptionally well.
What happened to the car?
Let's get in the freaking car. You get teleported.
Yeah.
I don't know how to drive, so. Oh, cool.
Come on. Let's go.
Whoa! Ew!
Who is you?
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Adrian Brody, what happened to me? The car tumbled off the highway. It looks like you're stranded. Do you know where the Temple of Shrek is? We're like real close, but I don't know exactly where it is. What should I look for? I'm not sure. I know you must find a torchlit cave. That's the temple entrance. Alright, I'm gonna do that.
We must find it. Let's go.
Oh, this is weird. No, fuck. Okay.
Why are you jumping?
Oh, God.
Pretty thin waters.
Yeah, swamps are not that deep. I thought there was some nice crystal. Hey, I see a picture of this guy again. Oh man, he's everywhere.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Wow, the swamp waters are kind of pretty.
It's meme land! It's all about
It's
the
what?
memes. The memes.
Wait, what is it?
This dude is everywhere. Look at this.
Oh my god, it's an earth meat. Whoa. That guy looks like Satan. Whoa, I found a rainbow thing. This
Yeah.
place is beautiful. Maybe the means lead the way to Shrek Temple.
What is that green thing over there? There's a green thing. What is that?
What do you mean green thing? Everything's green in this world.
No, there's like a glowy
Oh.
green.
Shrek had an accident.
No, it's a ghost. Whatever that is, I do not like it.
Okay, let's get away from it then. What's this? Oh, this is it.
Come on. Parkour,
God,
parkour,
where
parkour.
is it?
I
Where
parkour.
is it?
I parkoured.
No. The ghost is chasing me. Help. Help.
Come up here, it's so beautiful.
Really? I think the Shrek is gonna kill me. I'm not Shrek. Oh, wait.
Oh, dang it. Come here, and then come like that. Or come over here. Dang it, did he come up? Look over there, look how pretty.
Whoa. Okay, come on, we need to find a place.
Dang it, he's chasing us. Oh.
Hurry, let him here.
There's another
Yeah,
one.
you found it. Oh my god, he's chasing us so fast.
There's another one over there.
Oh my god, there's another one. He's in the swamp. Man, I wish we could fight them. Wait, look, I see a rainbow plant. Maybe that's where it is.
We gotta believe. We gotta believe.
Believe in Shrek. Oh, I found it. Oh, there's a cool plant. Look, do you see the ad place with
Yeah.
the rainbow-faced man?
Yeah.
Over here. What? Oh, maybe this rock. No.
Come up here.
No.
I found one. There's another one. There's so many.
Another what?
There's so many green dudes.
Oh my god, so many. Where do we go?
Where did you go?
Oh, follow the memes. Wait, follow me. I think I'm going the right way.
Where did you go?
Oh no, you can't find me anymore.
Guys,
See my name tag? This guy's.
stay tuned for episode 3.
I'm where we spawned. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Stay tuned for episode